After obtaining these Jacobian matrices, we need to solve for the final answer through differential equation by multiplying our obtained 6 by 3 Jacobian matrix with our 3 by 1 joint velocity vector. X prime, y prime, z prime, omega x, omega y, omega z, is equal to 0, 0, 1, 30, 0, 0. X prime is 0, 0, 1. Y prime is 30, 0, 0. Z prime is 0, 30, 0. Omega x must be 0, 0, 1. Omega y is 0, negative 1, 0. Omega z, 1, 0, 0. Theta 1 prime, theta 2 prime, d3 prime. Theta x prime is equal to d3 prime. Y prime is equal to 30 theta 1 prime. Z prime is equal to 30 theta 2 prime. Omega x 0, 0, 1 is omega x is equal to d3 prime. Omega y is equal to negative theta 2 prime. Negative theta 2 prime. Omega z is equal to positive theta 1 prime.